Today we're going to talk about two different types of collisions and their properties. The first one is the elastic collision. Now, elastic collision is basically when two things collide, but they don't stick together. Think of it as almost like this ping pong ball. Throw against the wall, it just bounces right off. So they don't really stick together. Now, the properties of this is that the momentum of this, the starting momentum, is going to equal the final momentum. And with that as well, being inelastic and that the two objects don't stick together, the initial kinetic energy, it's supposed to be K there, is going to equal the final kinetic energy. Now, how does this differ from an inelastic collision? Well, an inelastic collision is when two objects collide, but they kind of stick together. Almost like if I threw my rag against the whiteboard, it didn't bounce off. It kind of just stuck there. Obviously, it fell down after, but it gets the idea across. And just like the elastic collision, the momentum is going to stay the same. Usually it's going to stay the same there. But what's different is that the kinetic energy, the starting kinetic energy, is not going to equal the final kinetic energy. Now you can kind of see that when I threw my rag against there, it kind of stopped. There was no more kinetic energy happening. And so that would be an example of an inelastic collision. Whereas my ping pong ball threw it against the wall and it kept on moving, still had kinetic energy. And with these two collisions, help us determine how energy is transferred and how energy interacts with one another through objects. So now you know the difference between elastic and inelastic collision.